One.
Good morning.
Good morning, friends. Welcome back. Here's Miss Claudia and Miss Gabby. We're going to show you how to make snow.
You can use like a snow or like a sand. The last video we sent a recipe to make the moon sand. Today we want to make another recipe and we can use it like a like sand, but with different ingredients. We need borax and
Hair conditioner.
hair conditioner.
So remember to have your sea creatures ready, or whatever you're going to add. We're going to add seashells to ours and make it a little bit more ocean-like. I think I need some scissors.
There we go. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Yeah, almost. There we go.
You almost had it. Necesitas la computadora.
We're gonna put it. Then we want to add that hair conditioner.
Miss Gabby would use white hair conditioner.
Oye, sí, ella puede ser.
Um,
There you go. After that, just mix all the two ingredients.
okay. Okay. So I just wanted to point out this is a pretty color. You can use it for water maybe if you're doing the ocean theme.
So it's a different texture from if you compare it with the moon sand.
Yes.
Yes. Look. And then you can play with that. I'm gonna put the seashell. That's weird, but when you make this experiment, these things feels warm.
Yes, the mixture is going to feel warm, so don't freak out about it.
Yes.
And that's
So it's something too easy and really cool. You can explore with all your senses, touch, feel, smell. So that's really cool. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.